Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will classify the elementary particles. Firstly, I will define the elementary particle. Elementary particles, these are the subatomic particles which are not composed of any other particle. And these elementary particles are classified as bosons and fermions. Bosons are the particles which have zero or integral spin, while the fermions are the particles which have half integral spin. Bosons are further divided as massless bosons and mesons. Massless bosons are further classified as gravitons and photons. Gravitons have zero rest mass and they do not have any charge, and its spin is equal to 2. It has no electric charge. Photons also do not have mass, therefore they are said to have zero rest mass, and they do not have charge, and its spin is equal to 1. Since they have zero rest mass, therefore they are called as massless bosons. Mesons are strong interacting bosons. These are strong interacting bosons and they follow Bose-Einstein statistics. And their masses are intermediate of leptons and the nucleons. The mesons are further divided as eta, pions, and kaons. These eta particles are neutral particles and they have rest mass equal to 1073 of mass of electron. Eta naught is its antiparticle, while also the eta is also represented as eta naught, and eta naught is its antiparticle. The decay mode of eta can be shown as eta can be decayed as equal to 2 gamma, or it may follow decay mode of pi naught plus pi naught plus pi naught. The pions are spinless bosons. Pions are the spinless bosons which exist in three states, that is pi positive, pi negative, and pi naught. This pi naught is the uh, pion with zero charge. These pions are produced as when a proton interacts with gamma radiation, it produces pi positive plus a neutron. And when a proton interacts with gamma radiation, it can also produce pi naught plus a proton. Also, when a deuteron interacts with a gamma radiation, it can produce pi negative plus 2 protons. These kaons, these kaons are heavy mesons because their masses is equal to 970 times that of mass of an electron. These kaons are further classified into three categories: K negative, K positive, and K zero. The decay mode which these kaons follows are as K positive decays as pi positive and pi naught. K negative may be decayed as pi negative plus pi positive, and the K naught, these are of two types, K naught 1 and K naught 2, which may follow decay mode of pi positive and pi negative, and K2 naught can follow pi positive plus pi negative plus pi naught. Now we will classify fermions. Fermions are the particles which have half integral spin. These are classified as leptons and baryons. Leptons are weakly interacting fermions and baryons are strongly interacting fermions. These are strongly interacting fermions. Leptons are classified as electron, muon, taion, and neutrino. Electron is a negatively charged particle which has mass 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg, and its charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. It is a stable particle and it has spin 1 by 2. It follows Fermi Dirac statistics, and the positron is its antiparticle. Muon is uh, muon is symbolized as this. Muon is symbolized by this symbol, and it is a negatively charged particle, and it interacts very weakly, and its mass is 206 times that of mass of electron, and it is a stable particle, and its antiparticle is represented by this symbol. It is a There is no neutral muon present. And the third one is taion. Taion is a negatively charged particle. It is represented by this symbol, and its spin is 1 by 2. Spin of muon is also 1 by 2, and spin of taion is also 1 by 2. Taion also follows Fermi Dirac statistics. And the fourth one is neutrino. It has zero rest mass, and it has no charge. It moves with velocity of light. Its spin is 1 by 2, and it is a stable particle. And neutrinos are classified as electron neutrino, whose antiparticle is this, uh, muon neutrino, which has this antiparticle, taion neutrino with antiparticle represented by this symbol. Now we will classify the baryons. Baryons are the strongly interacting fermions which have half integral spin. Uh, it is further classified as nucleons and hyperons. Protons and neutrons protons and neutrons are collectively called nucleons. Protons are stable particle which have spin 1 by 2 with unit charge. Neutrons are heavier than protons. Neutrons are heavier than protons with no charge, and its spin is 1 by 2, and it is an unstable particle. Hyperons have a mass more than nucleons, and they are classified as lambda hyperon, sigma hyperon, omega hyperon, and cascade hyperon. Lambda hyperon is denoted by this symbol, sigma is denoted by this, omega is represented by this symbol, and cascade is represented by this symbol. The lambda hyperon do not have any charge, and its spin is 1 by 2, and it is an unstable particle. The sigma hyperon, these are of three types: sigma positive, sigma negative, and sigma naught. The antiparticle is represented as this. Its antiparticle is this, and its antiparticle is represented by this symbol. The A cascade, or it is also called xihyperion. It is of two types. One is this one, and the another one is this. This cascade hyperion is a neutral particle which has spin 1 by 2, and it is an unstable particle. This cascade hyperion is negatively charged particle whose spin is 1 by 2, and its antiparticle is represented as this. So the other one is omega hyperon whose spin is 3 by 2, and it is an unstable particle. So here we will end up by the classification of the elementary particles. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.